Welcome, student. Let us revise this history lesson, that is the social nature. Second lesson, that is diversity in society. Diversity in society. So let us continue diversity in society for the revision. Okay. Here is the first point, that is the diversity is our strength. So to live with different group is to experience coexistence. Coexistence means live together, at the same time live together with the understanding. Coexistence helps to increase the level of understanding among the people. Coexistence, there are many peoples having the different attitudes and different natures. So this living uh, with the different groups increases the coexistence. So this principle of diversity increases our strength. Okay, so we are going to through this point, the tolerance and understanding. Tolerance and understanding. Just as there is a cooperation in society, so also at times there can be a differences of opinion, disputes and conflicts also. So when the society having with the diversity experiences the good cooperation and the differences of opinion, dispute and conflict at the same time, means the peoples who cooperate with each others have a different opinion than any other persons. So it increases the disputes and conflicts. Okay, disputes and conflicts arises, there is a lack of agreement in the opinion. So ideas and the views of the people leads for an agreements in the opinion due to these conflicts or diversity in the opinion of the society. However, it is the nobody's interest to keep conflict going on for a long time, because it affects the whole life of the family, different life of the families, due to these due to these conflicts. So there is a need to compromise on a certain issues to resolve these conflicts and grow understanding in the society. Thus, these conflicts can end if the people make efforts to understand each other's view. Show that the spirit of tolerance. If the people shows the attitude towards the solving problem of the society. It increases the tolerance in the society. So the understanding also increases. So the another point that we are going to revise, that is an opportunity to perform different role. So the society in a diversity, there are many different roles having to perform by the different sections of the society. If these responsibilities and duties carried out smoothly, the society also benefit, and the persons and the families also benefits. So this is the need that the people in the diversified society needs to perform their own responsibilities smoothly. So the whole society benefits. Okay. So I thought that this point will be clear to you. So if you have to do homework on this point, so that your understanding of these points also increases. Okay. So here is the web, that is with the family where and the society in which you having the different type or perform the different types of responsibilities with the different persons, and the whole social life continue at the old age, till the old age. So it is started with the childhood up to the old age. Regulations of society. These are unwritten regulations which we have to follow. These are traditions, may be rituals, or may be some signals of the society that we have to perform and follow. This leads to smoothly performing the activity in the society. Okay. So students, here we completed this last point of this lessons, the revision of this point. Again, if you find this point difficult to understand, then send me a message. Okay. So we will stop here.